nightmares. Doesn't tally up the scars, but says I saw them all, and still, you are mine. This ain't religion wrapped in rules. Tis the king that breaks chains, the lion who knelt down low, just to whisper my name. Grace, a love undeserved. However, through that blessing, I'm destined to serve. Through the fire, through the rain, we look to the sky and ask, is there more for us to gain? Soothe the pain, I'm overdue. We hear your name, our soul pursues. We seize the day for holy truth, for in our veins it's only you. Your love is warm, your love is peace, your love is captivating, it will never cease. My blessed source are forever yours. We thank you for your guidance, we thank you for forgiveness. Your light is our alliance, and our alliance is your witness. Because it's only your love we need. We scream for it, we live for it. And so through your grace is how we breathe.
Piting ng habang buhay sa akin. At kung ipipinta ko ang pag-ibig sa iyo, ito ay tunay na hindi nakikita ng mata ko na mapipilang ko na mahal. Handa akong masaktan kung kapalit na may wala. handa akong masaktan kung kapalit ng may malaya. Tunay na propesiya, ikaw ang dakilang rason ba't ako ginawa. Aking magsihina. Pag ano?